Hi guys, if you have an iPhone and the power button is broken, there's an easy way and simple way to turn this on. I'm gonna show you. Well, you can just plug up the lightning cable. If your phone use type C, all you have to do is you just plug in and the phone turns right on. So no power button whatsoever. Also guys, if you have a wireless charger, if you have a wireless charging pad, your iPhone button is broken, you want to turn your phone on, you can also use a wireless charger as well. So that's two ways how you can turn on your iPhone without the power button. That's if you have a bad power button or your power button is broken. This is how you can easily do that. So the other ways of doing so is by opening the phone, in which we will not get into this video. So I hope that this was helpful guys. Do like, share and subscribe.